Hi everybody, how y'all doing today? This is Laney coming to you with an update about my channel. If you have watched the last 4 or 5, maybe 6 videos that I have uploaded, you can see that it is a little bit different from what I normally do. So the channel is taking on a new direction. We will be doing mainly history videos from here on out. So I hope you all will enjoy them, and also the logo will change as well. And I hope that you and your family have a happy, safe, blessed, and healthy holiday season. And I also wanted to give you all some information about free shipping day. So I'm going to get that to you in just a couple of minutes. Okay, now part 2 of this video. National Free Shipping Day. What is National Free Shipping Day? What's not to love about National Free Shipping Day? Held this year on December 14th. You can shop till you drop by getting everything online. Plus, there are no sky-high shipping rates. Pay only for what you actually buy. Let someone else handle the extra cost. The date of the holiday changes each year, so be on the lookout in mid-December. National Free Shipping Day history. Free Shipping Day is a national shopping holiday as well as a year-round coupon website. The holiday was started in 2008, while the coupon portion of the site was launched in 2017 as a resource for online savings, providing shoppers with coupons and free shipping codes from top retail partners and retailers. National Free Shipping Day was conceived by internet entrepreneur Luke Knowles while running his own free shipping website. He noticed an interesting trend among users. Online shopping seems to drop around December the 10th. Though many retailers were capable of shipping orders on time for the holidays, shoppers were worried about receiving their packages on time and the crazy holiday shipping fee that would accompany them. It struck him that an event promoting free shipping and guaranteed on-time delivery was exactly what the holiday season was missing. How about that? National Free Shipping Day is now a permanent holiday. More and more retailers partner with Free Shipping Day. What day is free shipping for internet shoppers? National Free Shipping Day is a one-day event that takes place in mid-December every year. This year, 2021, it will take place on December 14th. Does Amazon have a free shipping day? Amazon participates in Free Shipping Day, but You can also get deals throughout the year if you have an Amazon Prime account. Reasons you'll save on National Free Shipping Day? Special shipping costs a fortune. FedEx offers the same-day delivery to all 50 states every day of the year as long as money is no object. Shippers need fleets of expensive aircraft. Both FedEx and UPS combined have a fleet of 1,173 aircrafts. Wow, they're trying to get those packages to where they need to be. Shipping is a never-ending job. There are at least 20 million shipping containers crisscrossing the world as we speak. Wow. So there you have it. A little bit of history on National Free Shipping Day. Hope you all get your free shipping day coupons out and about. You can go to freeshippingday.com and get your coupons. Be well, stay safe, and stay in peace, not pieces. Hit that bell so you will know every time I upload a video. Word of the year, peace, peace. Deuces. See you soon.